Namaste students, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया. I am JVN's Dr. Neeraj Holia, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. So we are here to discuss your practical. They determine the lethal effect of temperature on the microorganism. So this lecture was incomplete in the previous lecture, and we have discussed the concept of the various types of bacteria depending on the temperature. So here we will discuss how step by step procedure will you follow for completing this practical. So you can start with the two methods if you have already available the pure bacterial stains in your lab, or if you don't have the same. So assuming the second condition that we do not have the pure bacterial stains in our lab, so we will isolate it first from the natural samples such as soil sample. So first of all, we will weigh 1 gram of the soil and dissolve it on the 9 ml of the distilled water. Okay, so we will mark 10 test tubes, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and we will serially dilute this sample. Okay, so from first test tube where you have dissolved the soil sample, you will take 1 ml of the sample, dissolved sample, and dissolve in the 9 ml of the distilled water again. So this is the dilution. Okay, likewise we have each time dilute the sample 1 by 10. Okay, so this is a serial dilution because we want that the colony of the bacterial strain should be pure. And if we do not serially dilute the sample, there is a mixture of the bacterial growth will be there. Okay, so we will serially dilute the sample, and we will use the last sample, that is 10 number of the uh, test tube number 10, for the sticking of the sample and isolation of the bacteria. So we will prepare agar plate. Okay, the 2% agar is prepared. The 2 gram of the agar powder, nutrient agar powder, in 100 ml of distilled water will be taken, dissolved, autoclaved, and prepare the plate. And after preparing the plate, we will streak from the test tube number 10 for isolating the bacterial stain. Okay, so we will streak the sample on the nutrient agar plate, and we will wait for the growth. So we will incubate this plate for 24 and 48 hours. After observing that there is a pure colonies is there, we will pick one colony and dissolve it again in the distilled water. Okay, so here we have isolated the bacterial stains, and now we will check the effect of the temperature, lethal effect of temperature. So for that we have to prepare 5 different plates for incubating or for observing the effect of 5 different temperatures on the growth. For example, we will check the lethal effect or effect of temperature 25 degrees Celsius, 30, 35, 40, and 45. Okay, so like you have prepared the nutrient agar plate, again we will prepare the 5 different plates and marking on them the 25, 30, 35, 45, etc. Okay, so after preparing the plates, we will stick the colony which you have isolated. Okay, because in the earlier you have isolated the pure bacterial colony, and you have dissolved it in a distilled water. So this is a sample, your sample, bacterial sample. Okay, then you will stick this sample on the 5 different plates and incubate it on the 5 different temperatures. Okay, so we streaking is also a very tricky process. The streaking should be gentle. The media should not be damaged, and simultaneously the complete procedure should be in sterile condition. So before streaking, the laminar air flow should be UV treated. The surface is properly sterile with the ethanol, 70% ethanol. Okay, So this way you will perform the streaking, and you will uh, place the plates in the incubator. Now this are time for the incubation. So we will incubate the plates for 24 hours first. You will observe the growth at different temperatures, and you can let it be there for 48 hours also. Okay, so till 48 hours we will observe their growth and interpret the results with the with respect to the temperature. Okay, so this will be your experiment. Thank you. Hope this session is very clear to you, and you are satisfied with this digital session. If you have any problem or any query, please write in the comment box, and I will respond and resolve it. And this digital session is powered by Digital Version 2, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Thank you.